Welcome back to the channel. I'm your girl Shade Boo. If you are new here, thank you for clicking this video. I love you. If you've been rocking with me, I love you even more. I just had me a tuna fish sandwich. I got up today. Husband went to work. I cleaned up. I mopped. I have some laundry to do. I did do laundry yesterday, but I have some more laundry to do. And because I was like really kind of deep cleaning today, I was like, all right, I'll do the laundry tomorrow. I kind of try to pace myself. I don't try to put so much on myself. And sometimes us mothers, we do so much that we're just like, oh, keep going, keep going, keep going. I'm not a robot. I am human. And I have feelings. And I feel. My feet feel, my legs feel, my knees feel, my back feels, everything feels. So I was like, okay, I'll do that. I'll do the laundry tomorrow. And yeah, so I had me a good little, my last bit of tuna. Sat down watching me, a little YouTube. And yeah, I'm gonna put some curling rods and Royalty's hair again later on. Cause I guess the curls are like dropping a little bit. The weather dropped tremendously. Like we don't have no ACs on in here. It's so nice and cool. It's such a breeze outside. Like I'm so happy. You don't even understand. I'm so happy. In New York City, today was the last day of school. And Royalty will not be going to summer camp because for two reasons. The first reason is I didn't find a summer camp that I didn't. But I'm going to lean more towards I didn't find a summer camp that I felt was safe enough for her to be at, if that makes sense. Because a lot of the summer camps in New York City, they have a lot of young people who are like the camp counselors. And, you know, they pick the kids up, they drop them off, they do all of that. You know, they're with them throughout the day. But I hear how these young people talk. I see how they act in the streets when they're with these kids. And I was just like, for some reason I just was like turned off by that. And I was like, no, like y'all are 17, 18, 19, 20, maybe 21 years old, and they're supposed to be an influence, you know, to the children and be showing the children the way. Like, but I just was like, y'all gonna be with my, not gonna happen. So I was like, nope, I'll keep my baby with me. And the second reason was the camps that I did find were, not a little costly. I'm talking about extremely costly. Altogether for the summer, like $7,500. And that's just for July and August. For a full day, Monday to Friday, it would have been for the whole summer, $7,500. We're not doing that. I'm not doing that. I'm sorry. I can't do that. I wouldn't even feel comfortable enough doing that. So I just was like, you know what? Let me just go with the energy and my baby's going to be home with me. We're going to create a schedule where we can do some outings and have some fun. And also we're going to be doing some schoolwork because she is going to be going to first grade. So I kind of want to pre-prep her somewhat. So we're going to be going over a little math, some reading, of course, writing, of course. And we're going to be going over, I'm going to be teaching her financial literacy just for her to have a better understanding about money and, you know, the use of it and how much is this, how much is that, understanding of like credit card, debit cards. Believe it or not, my baby is very, very smart. She understands a lot. You just have to explain it to her and she like gets it. So I'm very, very proud of her. And so, yeah, so, you know, me and my husband are gonna do some things with her and my mom, of course. I know my mom would be like, don't include me. That's what the summer is gonna be filled. We're gonna do everything budget friendly. I just found out yesterday that the Brandy and Monica, the Boy Is Mine tour, is going to be in New York.
You're not going.
Here, my little hater back there.
I don't want you to go because I love you.
I'm going. I am going. Brandy and Monica is my girl. I can't lie and say I didn't grow up on them, because I definitely did. I know every song, every album, every record, just everything. And I have to be in that arena. So I don't care to be in the front. I just care to be in the building. I am going. I'm going. If you're going to the Brandy and Monica concert, let me know in the comments section. I just came back from the supermarket. First of all, I did not know it was cool like that outside. It's very cool. Very, very cool. This is what I bought to wash my clothes. I got some Gain. The original. My husband, he do like Suavitel. I don't know why I picked up this one. I meant to pick up the blue one. He likes the baby blue color scent. And I picked up this big one for Royalty's clothes. I don't like to really use anything too harsh on her clothes still. And normally how I pick out my detergent, I usually go to Walgreens, because you usually could get like 4 for $10. But other than that, if I go to my local supermarket, I just buy which is on sale. And Tide is usually on sale. Gain is usually on sale. And yeah. So. But now Royalty is going to take a shower and get ready for bed. Put her to sleep early. And then me time. I love me time. I love being alone. I love being quiet. Where I could think, I could pray, I could do whatever I want to do. But I think once I put her to bed and stuff, I'm going to put on some nails. I have been using Kiss press-on nails. I love it. It's so convenient. It lasts me a long time. And it's saving me some money. Listen, y'all know I don't like to spend a lot of money. I like a lot of money, but I don't like to spend a lot of money. Okay? So I'm going to do my nails. And as y'all can see, I have not did my eyebrows in like maybe a month and a half now. So these are fully grown in, which I'm happy about because I get to have a new arch. A fresh new arch when I get them done again. And a part of me is not happy because I waited so long to do them because I have to find a new eyebrow lady. The worst. And hopefully I'm keeping my fingers crossed that I like it. Another thing I started doing, because I'm not a wax girl, I just realized I have a sister who she loves wax. She loves it. I'm too scared. She know I'm a scaredy cat. I cannot deal with the wax. Yeah, I'm talking about the wax down there. Yeah. My underarms, I get wax with no problem. But my mother put me on to Veet. And so this is what I have been using to take it all off. And when I tell you it takes it off, it takes it off. It's bare. It's bare. If you're looking for something that is not going to be so intrusive, so, you know, yeah, it's not going to cause you no pain, no itching, no rash, no any of that, no bumps. Even when your hair starts growing back, it's still like you don't feel anything. Now, y'all know, when we shave and we use razors, that growing back process is, listen, it's trifling. Because they have us hiding in corners just to get a little itch in. I'm over that. I'm so happy my mother told me about Veet. Like, I love it. So, Veet is what I will be sticking to for now on. It only take me one time to try something and love it. Not like it, love it. Because if it works for you, it works for you. If it don't, then you gotta find what works for you. But I recommend Veet. Try it. I guarantee you, you'll like it. So these are my nails. I set them to the side for what I'm gonna be using. I love these nails so much. It's so easy, quick, and fast, and they last long. And plus, it's saving my husband some money. Listen, you can pick them up anywhere. This is how it turned out. And this here. Yeah. But I'm about to get in the shower. That's why I love having short hair, because I could just wet my hair every day. It feels so good. And then I'm getting my ass in my bed because I'm tired.